This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Look at this. No, seriously, look at how it's holding that cloth. We've seen robots lift car engines and sprint through obstacle courses, but watching Figure 02 gently fold a laundry rag over its shoulder while tidying a living room? That is a massive shift. We're moving past the industrial beast phase of robotics. This isn't about raw power anymore, it's about dexterity. Figure just dropped this footage of their latest model, the Figure 02, and it's doing the one thing we all hate, the Sunday morning reset. It's scanning a cluttered coffee table, and you can see the brain working. It doesn't just see objects, it recognizes a ceramic mug is fragile, a gaming controller is tech, and a throw pillow needs to be fluffed, not crushed. Watch the way it handles those pillows. It's not just placing them, it's arranging them. It's got this weirdly human touch that feels less like a machine and more like a roommate who actually helps out. The tech here is what researchers call embodied intelligence. Basically, the AI isn't just a chatbot in a box, it's fully aware of the physical world. When it picks up that entire basket of clutter and maneuvers around the couch, it's calculating balance and path planning in real time. It's not following a pre-programmed track, it's navigating the mess of a real home. And the kicker? The finale where it grabs a cloth and actually wipes down the table surface. It's sanitizing. This is the goal for the end of 2026, moving these humanoids out of the sterile factory and into our unstructured, messy lives. We are getting so close to never having to pick up the living room ever again. Imagine coming home and the coffee table is clear, the pillows are straight, and the dust is gone. All because this guy spent the afternoon busy at work. The pace of this is getting honestly hard to keep up with. If you want to stay ahead of how these robots are actually going to change your daily routine, you've got to be following AIX. Hit that subscribe button and join the community. We're tracking every first ever moment in this race. So, would you trust Figure 02 alone in your house with your expensive tech and breakables? Let's talk about it in the comments.